Welcome to the future of smart property management. Introducing a modern platform designed to transform the way property owners, managers, tenants, and administrators work together. Managing real estate has never been simple. From handling tenants and monitoring assets to tracking maintenance requests and managing financial records, every task requires accuracy and efficiency. That's exactly where this intelligent property platform makes the difference. As the video begins, we're greeted by a secure and professional login portal. Every authorized user receives personalized access based on their role, whether they're an administrator, property owner, tenant, or maintenance staff. This ensures both security and convenience from the very first step. After logging in, users are welcomed by a clean and intuitive dashboard. Important information is displayed in one centralized location, allowing users to monitor their properties without switching between multiple applications. The platform provides complete control over property management. Users can organize residential or commercial properties, maintain detailed records, and monitor occupancy in real time. Every property is neatly categorized, making information easy to access whenever it's needed. Tenant management is another powerful feature. Property managers can store tenant details, manage lease agreements, monitor payment history, and quickly respond to requests. This improves communication while creating a better experience for everyone involved. The system also simplifies maintenance management. Whenever a repair request is submitted, it can be assigned instantly to the appropriate team. Managers can track progress, monitor completion status, and ensure that every issue is resolved on time. Financial management becomes much easier with automated tracking and reporting. Rental payments, expenses, invoices, and transaction histories are organized within the platform, helping property owners maintain complete financial transparency. Another valuable feature is real-time reporting. Interactive dashboards provide meaningful insights into occupancy rates, maintenance performance, revenue trends, and overall business growth. These reports help managers make smarter decisions based on accurate data rather than assumptions. The platform also enhances collaboration. Property owners, administrators, maintenance teams, and tenants can all communicate through a single ecosystem. This reduces